Auto. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah, and this is one of my trademark videos. It's called the tractability video, wherein I tell you the lowest speeds in each gear without lugging the engine. See, this bike would not be bought by novices, okay? However, if you're still new to riding, okay, and you do not know what lugging is, okay, because even many old timers don't know that they should never be lugging the engine, all right? So I'll try to make it as short as possible. So starting from second gear all the way to the sixth gear, of course. See, in this second gear itself, okay, right now it's maintaining 18-19 kilometers per hour, but it might not be apparent in the video, but the bike is not happy, okay? There are jerks. "20 onwards it gets smooth." In fact, let me show it to you. People are in a habit of okay, so that's muscle memory, okay, the I downshifted, and that is what you have to do. You have to downshift, okay? So do not do this, okay? This is, you are lugging the engines. Please do not do this on this motorcycle. The moment you go below 20 or at least like 18, please downshift to first and then pull up the bike, okay? See, you would not be riding this motorcycle like this, but then in traffic, you just might. So please, and especially, going over speed breakers, please downshift to first, okay? Do not lug the engine, okay? So below 18 kilometers per hour, okay, you should be downshifting to first. And what about the third gear? Let me show it to you. Not happy. Okay, it starts to, and I'm a light rider, okay? I'm just 60 kilos, okay? So if you're a heavier rider, just add a couple of more kilometers per hour to these speeds. See, 9 out of 10 reviewers would tell you, oh, it's pulling even from like 20 kilometers per hour. No, I mean, the bike is pulling, but then it's not happy. There was a lot of protest below 25 to 30 is like the gray zone, okay? Even at 30 kilometers per hour, okay? No, 35 would be the minimum speed. And the best and the safest speed would be 40 kilometers per hour. You go below 40, downshift to second. 30, like I said, 35 to 40 is the gray area. So you can, pull it up from 35 kilometers per hour onwards as well. Try not to go below that speed in third gear, okay? What about fourth? Let's first try from 35. Oh no, a lot of protest. 40 to 45, 50 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour. 45 to 50 would be the gray area. 50 kilometers per hour, okay, would be the safest speed to pull this bike in fourth gear. And let me tell it to you about the fifth gear. It's 60 kilometers per hour. 55 to 60 would be the gray area. See, I naturally not, even looking at the instrument cluster downshifted to second the moment it went below 40, okay? So experienced riders, okay, would not even have to look at the instrument cluster. They'll just go by the sound of it, the feel of the motorcycle. And sixth, let me tell it to you right away in the interest of time, 80 kilometers per hour. 80 kilometers per hour, okay? 75. In fact, for that, 70 to 80 would be the gray area. Let me quickly show it to you. I'll just take 30 more seconds. Not happy, the bike is not happy. Yes sir, 80 kilometers per hour. From there it's absolutely smooth. So guys, I hope you like the video. Okay, do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.